application of the Hogwarts house quiz, which is scenario 1, where I'm helping Charles make a application for his brother Sam in year 4. So this Hogwarts house quiz has 4 pages: the home page, the questions page, the results, and the about. On the home page, it has a nice big title, some text to bring the user in, some information about the 4 houses, and a button to start the quiz. So if I click start quiz, it'll bring me to my questions page, which is indicated at the top as well. And it brings me to question 1. The order of these answers are always going to be randomized, meaning that when I'm taking the quiz, I'll have to base it purely off of my own opinion on my answers to these questions. So what animal would I take home as a pet? Maybe a ferret. So I can do all these questions. There's 10 questions, and at the end of the 10th question, it'll take me straight to the results page, where it has informed me that I've gotten the House of Ravenclaw. So if I enter my name in here, Tom Zachariah, you can see that now that I've saved a result, it has popped the answer into the saved results column. So if I go to the about page, I can see some information about every house. So since I'm in Ravenclaw, I can read some information about my house. And it tells me some information about myself as well. It also tells me some famous members of Ravenclaw throughout the Harry Potter movie series. To test out the results page, I can go back, and because I've set it to remove all the results from the main page, however, you can still see the saved results after you use it. If I feel like I don't want to keep it anymore, I can click on it and then click delete result. It'll ask me to confirm, and then I can click yes, and it'll delete my result permanently. So now back to the results page, it is gone forever. So Sam can go through the quiz just like I did and get different answers to his friends. So now that I've saved Sam, so you can see that it also saved that there. And his friends, they can do the quiz and save all the results together to see who's actually in Gryffindor. Thank you.